Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I show you how you can create an account on the Medium app. So as you know, Medium is a social publishing platform that is open to all and home to a diverse array of stories, ideas and perspectives. So making an account in Medium is a very easy thing. So first of all, you need to download the official app either from your Play Store or App Store. As you can see, I've already downloaded the app. Now once downloaded, open your app and here you have several options to create your Medium account. You can use your Gmail, your Facebook ID or email address, or with your Apple ID as well. Today I will show you how you can create a Medium account using your Gmail ID. So first of all, tap on the option. Now here tap on continue. Here enter your email address and then afterward tap on the next option. Now open your email. Now the sign-in has been approved. Go back. Again open the app. Wait for some time. Now simply tap on continue. You can see the welcome to Medium message. You tap on continue. Now just choose the option you are interested in and then tap on next. So if you want to connect your Medium account to your Twitter account, you can do that. For that you simply need to tap on the connect option, or you can skip the part and tap on this. Now these are the people you can follow. I'll simply skip the part for now. So if you want the app to send you notification, tap on enable notification option, or you can also skip the part. And now here tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Right here you can see my name. So that's how you can create a Medium account, by simply linking any of your social media accounts or your Gmail address. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.